Here are 5 things you need to consider before joining LiveGood. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, despite the fact that a lot of people are talking about how LiveGood is too saturated, it's too many people in there, you can't make any money. Despite all that, a lot of people are still joining LiveGood. A lot of people are still making money with LiveGood. So if you're watching this video, you might be thinking about making that leap, right? And becoming a LiveGood member and a LiveGood affiliate. But in my opinion, before you do, here are some things that you might want to consider before you get involved with LiveGood. Because keeping it real, there's a lot of people joining LiveGood, but at the same time, there's people falling off left and right, quitting, moving on to other opportunities. The first thing is, do you want to be involved with network marketing? All right, because ultimately, yes, I call LiveGood an affiliate marketing opportunity, but it's ultimately a network marketing business opportunity. Are you into network marketing? Do you understand the concept of network marketing? Because the truth is, to be very successful with LiveGood, most likely you're going to need a team of like-minded people, because most likely the biggest chunk of your income is going to come from the effort of the people on your team. Because yes, you can make a lot of money just by you personally referring people to LiveGood, because you do get a $25 fast start commission for every person you bring in. So yes, you can earn some money. But when you see the people that are making $5,000 and $10,000 a month in LiveGood, it's because of their team. It's because they have people on their team that is actually going out there, promoting the opportunity and making money themselves. So you definitely need to understand how network marketing works and ask yourself, is this something that you want to do? The next thing that you need to consider before joining LiveGood is, are you into health and wellness? All right. Now, I know when LiveGood first came out, a lot of people was just promoting the business opportunity. A lot of people was like, damn the products, damn the service, who cares? This is a dope ass business opportunity. Don't worry about the products. Don't worry about it. Just jump into this opportunity, right? And in my opinion, that's why a lot of people are quitting LiveGood, because tons of people jumped into the opportunity without even having not even the slightest interest in the products, right? And I think that is a mistake. And some people to this day still feel like, oh, it don't matter. You know what I mean? Just jump in LiveGood. It don't matter about the products if you like them or not. I personally feel to be successful with this opportunity and to actually have longevity in LiveGood, you need to be somewhat interested in the products. And right now, the majority of the products are in the health and wellness industry, right? Like, it's all about staying healthy, having a healthy mind, having a healthy body. That is what LiveGood products are all about. Now, they are always expanding a little bit, right? They're always coming out with new products, which is dope. And right now, all the products are related to health and wellness. Now, they are supposed to be coming out with some LiveGood cleaning products, but that still is in the realm of health and wellness. You do need to ask yourself, all right, am I feeling these products? Am I feeling what LiveGood products are all about? And if the answer is yes, you might want to join. Now, a third thing you need to consider before joining LiveGood is related to the first thing you need to consider, and that is the compensation plan. Do you like the compensation plan? All right, because once again, you get people who get pitched LiveGood, right? And people are trying to convince them like, oh, this is the best opportunity. Oh, you can make all this money, blah, blah, blah. So people, without even really looking at the comp plan, they'll just jump in, right? They pay the startup fee, and then they start paying the $9.95 for a few months. And then they really have no idea where the money's going to come from. Like, they don't understand about the fast start commissions. They don't understand how to earn from the products. They don't understand how the matrix works and how they could get paid every month, right? Like, some people that joined LiveGood probably don't like the compensation plan, like, because they didn't understand it, or they didn't understand like how to go from this earning potential to that earning potential, right? So before you join LiveGood, take some time to really learn the compensation plan. That way, you know what you need to do. You understand, like, okay, I want to get this amount of money from fast start commission, so I need to bring in this amount of people. Okay, if I have this many people, I'll probably be able to earn this amount of money from my matrix, right? Understand the comp plan before you join. All right, another thing you need to consider before joining LiveGood is, how are you going to promote it? So once again, I think a lot of people jump into LiveGood and they're just all excited because somebody told them about it. So they're like, hell yeah, I'm getting here. I love the comp plan. I love the products. Yes, I'm an affiliate now. Yes, here's my link. Now what do you do? Right? And a lot of times people are like, shit, I don't really know. You know what I mean? I don't really know I don't know how to promote it. So you need to have an idea, how are you going to promote the LiveGood opportunity, whether it be promoting the opportunity or the products or both, right? So I always tell people, there's something that you feel comfortable doing. There's something that you feel comfortable doing on a regular basis. So whether it be YouTube, you know what I'm saying, where you want to just create content, create videos, whatever. You can put videos on YouTube, you can put videos on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all that. You already know, right? You might be an offline person. And I tell people all the time, do not sleep on offline marketing. There's people who are making thousands of dollars with network marketing and they don't mess with the internet. They don't mess with Facebook. They don't mess with YouTube, right? So that might be you. But whatever it is, you already need to know before you join LiveGood. How are you going to promote this opportunity? And remember, it needs to be something that you can do on a regular basis. But the good news is there are tons of ways to promote LiveGood. You just got to find the one that fits you. And one more thing that you need to consider before joining LiveGood is this something that you can commit to for the next 2 to 3 years? Now, to me, this might be the most important thing to consider. Why? Because I've seen so many people get hyped up about LiveGood, right? And they promote it like crazy for 2 months, 3 months, even 6 months. And then you see how they quit, right? They say, oh man, I ain't making no money with this, man. Or this ain't cool. This ain't for me, right? And I'm like, wait a minute. Remember, this is network marketing. It's going to take time to build a team. It's going to take time for your team to start being productive, right? So if you jump into LiveGood and you are expecting to earn, $3,000 a month in the first 6 months or even the first year, you probably shouldn't join, right? And I know you might have seen people, and there are people right now in the company making $10,000 a month. $20,000 a month, $3,000 a month, right? And that's real. But you have to understand, like, all these people, they had different paths of doing it. Some people had huge lists and huge followings, before LiveGood even launched, right? So it was easy for them to build teams quicker, right? But there's also a lot of people who are now making $3,000 and $5,000, and they just did it over time, right? It took them 9 months. It took them a year to get to that point. And it might take somebody else, 2 years to get to $5,000 a month. Or it might take 5 years to get to, $5,000, $10,000 a month. But the way the world is, the way time flies, the way, everything just keeps going, ask yourself this. If it did take you 3 years to be making $5,000 a month, assuming you work in this business, assuming you taking this shit serious, but ask yourself, if in 3 years you would be making $5,000 a month, right? Residual income, would it be worth it? And let's stretch it out more. Just imagine it took you 5 years, right, of you working the business. And in 5 years, there is a good chance of you being able to earn $5,000 a month. Would it be worth it? So once again, if you think about joining LiveGood and you're like, yeah, because I see all these people talk about this money, yeah, I should be able to be making $3,000 in the next 6 months. Like, most likely that's not gonna happen. But if you're watching this video and you're the type of person that's like, yo, I could reach a shit ton of people very quickly, or if you have a big following, like on social media, or you're an active person offline, don't get me wrong, you can make a lot of money super fast if you have access to a lot of people. But your average person that joins LiveGood, if they're gonna get real success, is going to come over time. So these are the things that I considered before I joined LiveGood, and I'm glad I did, because I am loving LiveGood and I plan on being a part of LiveGood for many years. So if you want to jump on your boys LiveGood team, you already know what to do. Click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.